So we need priests. And what type of priests we need, especially of Jesuits, who are filled with love of God. First place they give to God, not to their family members, not to their relatives, not to their friends, not to their villagers, but to God. And second, they are filled with love of people. People for means everybody. Jesus said, who is your neighbor? Not the one who lives next to you. Neighbor for Jesus means who needs of you is your neighbor. So Jesuit must love everybody, irrespective of their region, religion, skin color, language, culture, educational background, family background, etc. And we need such youngsters. Even here at Basilica, we need young Jesuit priests. But we don't have. Therefore, the provincial should appoint a man like me, who is 74. I request you, pray. Pray for vocations. And if you pray, God will send. Let me honestly tell you from this holy place, if I am speaking to you today as a priest, not because I deserve it, it is because of the prayers of my parents. And this was told to me by my father when I was approved for the ordination. I wrote him a letter. I was in Pune and he was in Mumbai. He replied, he said, my dear son, I am glad that you have been approved to become a Jesuit priest. Let me tell you one secret which your mother and I did not reveal to you. Today I reveal. The day we married, from that day onwards, every day, both of us prayed to God, asking God, the children which you give us, you may take all of them for your service, but at least take one. And their prayers God answered. Therefore, I stand here before you. Prayers of the parents, prayers of the people gives vocation and makes us holy. You want me to become holy? I need your prayers. Please pray for priests, also for nuns, surely. Pray for vocations.